The secret of manifestation. Have you ever wondered how your thoughts and beliefs can transform your reality? Is it possible that a phrase spoken 2,000 years ago by Jesus contains the secret to achieving everything you want? Welcome to our video, where we explore the secret of manifestation, a concept that goes beyond faith and delves into the power of the mind and spirit. We will discover how the phrase, "ask knowing that you have received," is not only a biblical teaching, but a universal truth supported by spiritual teachers throughout history. Join us on this journey, where we will explain how our beliefs and attitudes not only reflect our internal reality, but have the power to shape our external world. Are you ready to learn how to align your mental and emotional state with your deepest desires and thus transform your life? Keep watching to find out how. 2. Principles of manifestation of different teachers. Hermes Trismegistus, principle of correspondence of the Emerald Table, as above, so below. This principle suggests a symmetry between the macrocosm and the microcosm, stating that what happens on a universal level is reflected on a personal level. It is a call to understand that our internal and external realities are intrinsically connected. Neville Goddard, Law of Assumption, assume the desired state. Goddard emphasizes the importance of living in the mental and emotional state of the wish already fulfilled. It proposes that by assuming the feeling that our desire has manifested, we are creating the conditions for it to materialize in our reality. Dr. Joe Dispenza, Relationship between Personality and Personal Reality. Dispenza explores how our thoughts, emotions, and actions form our personality, which in turn creates our personal reality. He argues that by consciously changing our patterns of thought and emotion, we can transform our experience of life. These teachers, each from their unique perspective, contribute to the understanding of the manifestation process, illustrating how our beliefs, emotions, and actions not only reflect our current reality, but also have the power to shape our future. Integrating these principles offers a holistic approach to understanding and applying the art of manifestation in our lives. 3. Keys to manifestation. Key 1. Feel that you already have what you want. This key focuses on the importance of cultivating an emotional and mental state that reflects the possession of the desire before it is physically materialized. It involves deep inner work of visualization and affirmation, where one immerses oneself in the emotional and sensory experience of having the desire already fulfilled, thus creating a powerful magnetic attraction towards that reality. Key 2. Dismantle the ego and identification with the material. This key suggests that freeing yourself from excessive identification with ego and material goods allows for a clearer and purer focus on the manifestation process. By recognizing that we are more than our possessions and achievements, we can focus on what is essential and allow our true desires to flow to us more naturally and unhindered. Key 3. Create a mental image of what is desired, combined with the feeling of fullness. This key emphasizes the importance of visualizing in detail what we want to achieve or acquire, while simultaneously immersing ourselves in the feeling of fulfillment and gratitude. This combination of clear visualization and positive emotions enhances the manifestation process, aligning our internal vibrations with our aspirations. Effective application of these keys requires practice and consistency. It is a process that goes beyond simple hope or desire. It is an active commitment to align our thoughts, emotions, and energies with our deepest goals. Over time, this conscious alignment facilitates the natural flow of events, leading to the manifestation of our desires in the physical world. 4. Examples in scientific studies. Examples: effects of thought on the body, case of wrong cancer diagnosis, placebo in depression. These examples illustrate how thought and belief can have a significant impact on physical health. In the case of the wrong cancer diagnosis, the patient experienced a deterioration in health simply because he believed he was sick, demonstrating the power of thought in the physical manifestation of symptoms. Similarly, placebo effects in patients with depression highlight how positive expectancy can lead to real, measurable changes in mental and physical well-being. Studies: the body's ability to respond to beliefs and thoughts. Scientific research has shown that the brain does not clearly distinguish between real and imagined experiences, meaning that thoughts and beliefs can trigger biological responses similar to those that occur in real situations. This phenomenon highlights the importance of maintaining a positive state of mind and an optimistic attitude. Additionally, studies in the field of psychoneuroimmunology have explored how the emotional state influences the immune system, confirming that positive emotions and thoughts can strengthen the body's ability to fight disease and maintain health. These investigations provide a scientific basis for understanding how the manifestation of our thoughts and beliefs can have a tangible impact on our physical reality. 5. Science behind the principle: interaction of energy and thought. Everything in the universe vibrates and emits signals. This fundamental concept holds that every element in the cosmos, from the tiniest particle to the vast star systems, operates in a constant state of vibration. Thoughts, being no exception, also generate vibrations that can influence the environment. This energetic interaction suggests that thought waves can interact with the vibrations of other objects and beings, thus creating a field of influence that goes beyond the immediate physical realm. Influence of thought on the real world. The vibration of thoughts affects reality. Each thought generates a specific frequency that, according to quantum physics, can influence the state of matter and energy around it. This influence is not limited to the subjective realm of individual experience, but can extend to the physical world, affecting changes in our environment and our experiences. For example, a positive and optimistic state of mind may not only improve personal well-being, but also attract positive circumstances and opportunities, while a negative state of mind could have the opposite effect. This principle highlights the importance of cultivating constructive and positive thoughts to favorably influence our reality and environment. 6. Techniques to apply manifestation, meditation, and observation of thoughts. Create distance between the essence of being and thoughts. This technique involves practicing meditation regularly to encourage greater awareness and understanding of our thoughts and emotions. By meditating, we learn to observe our thoughts without judging them or identifying with them, which allows us to better understand how they influence our reality. This practice helps us detach from negative or limiting thought patterns and cultivate a clearer, more focused mind, which is essential for manifesting our desires effectively. Live from plenitude. Act from a state of plenitude and not lack. This technique teaches us to focus on the abundance that already exists in our lives rather than what we lack. It's about adopting an attitude of gratitude and recognition for what we already have, which in turn allows us to attract more abundance and positive opportunities. By living from fullness, we align ourselves with a frequency of abundance and success, making it easier to manifest our desires. This attitude drives us to take inspired actions aligned with our goals, thus creating a virtuous circle of positivity and fulfillment. 7. Conclusion. And so we come to the end of our fascinating journey, exploring the secret of manifestation. Today we have discovered how an ancient phrase can be the key to transforming our desires into reality. We have seen that by aligning our mental and emotional state with our deepest aspirations, we not only change our internal perception, but also influence the world around us. Let us always remember to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and positivity, and maintain a vibrational state in tune with our dreams. I hope this video has inspired you and provided value. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences related to the topic. Don't forget to hit like, and if you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future content. We are always here to explore these fascinating topics together and grow on this journey. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time.